Hey guys, so this is my mixed reef system, which I'm running various EcoTech products here. You can see the Radions, you can see the VorTech, and I'm running an Apex system as well. So I've got it linked to the television, so I can actually watch what's going on. I'm running a Mac Mini as a server. I can actually control everything via the TV if I need to, and obviously I've got mobile control as well. If I open up the inside of the sump, we can see what's going on in here. So you can see there's various Apex modules, swabby controllers, everything is automated. The feature I wanted to really sort of show you is kind of how I run my storm mode. So the lights are obviously going through various cycles during the day, as is the storm pump that I have running. It comes on at sort of pre-programmed times. Naturally the VorTech sort of kicks in and goes through various reef crest and nutrient modes. But I've got a feature here that if I want to go into a demo situation, and let me just turn on the light switch over here, the light show, just to force it on. Now this would happen ordinarily at a prefixed time. But you can see I've got like a rain spray bar. So what happens now is that nutrient transport mode will kick in. It runs a secondary return pump from underneath to sort of allow the water to sort of kick in, and you'll see the lightning effects will come on shortly. Underneath, if I have a look down, what's actually happening in here is my water level in my last section actually starts to drop. So what I have to do here is I have to sort of turn off the skimmer, the reactor to hold on the water. I actually turn off my heater as well, because my heater then goes below the water level on the last section. If I go down, you can see there the water's sort of dropping back down. So the actual lighting at that point is sort of controlled all via the Apex. So a simple button, which I either have manual control over, or I actually have a pre-programmed set time of the day, allows everything to sort of kick on. So this is great just to sort of demo and show my mates, but equally I can run it at nights. I throw a storm up in the middle of the night just because I think that's natural how a reef works. Lightning, storm modes happens. The fish are kind of pretty used to this by now. But also you can see eventually the lightning will kick in. You can see the various sort of colours will sort of work through. So we'll just give it a second. Just show you the tank while this is all happening. The lightning effect seems to take a little bit of a while in terms of the randomness, but you can see the water then sort of starts changing. You can see by the coral flow here that everything starts moving around. And it just helps sort of flush out the tank, but within a kind of a little nifty cool example as well. I would really prefer that the lights didn't go down to the level that they do when the lightning mode comes on. I'd kind of almost like to sort of hold the lightning colour, or the actual default colour, at a stronger level when the lightning sort of works. But it does go through a range of sort of colours that it sort of pre-programs into the radios. Now I couldn't do this through a reef link. I couldn't control the VorTech and the lights through the reef link at the same time. It does mean that I have a couple of features that I can't get. It means I can't have acclimate mode. Travelling lights from one to another I can't seem to connect with the WXM program, which is the module that obviously Apex and EcoSmart have worked together on, EcoTech have worked together on. But it does give me the option to be able to do multiple things in the tank that I wouldn't be able to do just by a reef link alone. So there you can see now the actual lightning is kicking off. And so again, just to sort of quickly highlight what's going on underneath. You can see there the skimmer's off. Water levels drop down, which means I've got to turn off the top-up system off as well. And everything's sort of controlled. So there you can go. You can see what's going on over the top. So again, if I just simply go over here and turn off the light show. See that it's switched off. It'll just go back onto default mode. And then over the next few seconds everything will start to kick back in again as the water level tops up. It allows sort of a minute or two just for the water to adjust, and then underneath the water we'll start seeing some various things happening, like the skimmer and everything will turn back on, the reactors will turn back on, eventually the top up turns back on. And so this is all running via, like I said, either a button I can manually control, which I said I can simply just turn it on by my TV, or I can control it via a mobile phone. So there you go, hope you enjoyed it. There you go, just a quick shot of the tank going back into sort of calm mode.